Welcome to Mark Strong Edits. Today we're going to take a quick look into the making of the artwork for the new track Stay at Home Boyfriend by Matthew Raymond and Nate Jackson.
I'ma stay at home boyfriend. I'ma stay at home boyfriend.
I'm a stay-at-home boyfriend, I ain't gotta get a job. I'ma drop you off at work and I'ma borrow your car. I got a fresh air mattress when you get off work, already full of air, that's just part of the perks. But I ain't got no sheets, no blankets, no pillows. When you wake up in the morning, girl, your neck might hurt. So maybe we could stay at your place tonight. Let me hold $20 till my money gets right. By the way, my phone bill's about due now. I got a late fee, so it's $302 now. If you spot me, that'd be great, cause I know when I don't answer all your calls, that's the thing that you hate. I know you don't like the dirty dishes in the sink, and I know you don't like it when that toilet stopped up. But a stay-at-home boyfriend's job is harder than you think, so I'll be chilling on the couch with my feet propped up.
I'ma stay at home boyfriend.
I'm a stay-at-home boyfriend, I ain't gotta get a job.
I'ma stay at home boyfriend.
I'ma drop you off at work and I'ma borrow your car.